I'm back in Beast Wars Simulator. I played this like a year ago. Yes, a year ago. It's been quite a while. Hive sucks, I think. I was trying to convert a red hive back then, but yeah. So I just killed a coconut crab and I'm just milking all the honey I got from him right now. Yeah. Yeah. Anyways. What? Wait, I thought Elol quit. That's what he said he was gonna do. He was like, oh yeah, I'm quitting Beast Wars. It could have been an April Fool's. Interesting. Yeah, the leaderboard's still the same as here. Elol on top, just some noob in the middle, and then John Sucks at the end. Fragile Science was always on the leaderboard. I think last time I saw him, he was like here, 7th place. But yeah, and then the top was like 33 quad. Yeah, but they're just getting better. Anyway, I need to find a good like pro, but just judging at all these highs, I feel like I'm the only pro. So we're gonna server hop. Yes, I don't have much honey. I know. I don't have much honey. Sadly, the game hasn't updated since like last time, so it's boring. Yeah, it's probably gonna be short. I think 15 minutes. I'm just gonna get like, I don't know, just see how things are popping, you know? Okay. Now I just need to figure out if these people are macroing or not, because they could very well be AFK. But these guys look like pro hives. Oh no, are they both macroing? I could try talking to one of them. And the good thing is, their bees do all the work for me. So yeah, that sounds good. So they're just gonna go kill him. Hey. Oh. Hey. Let me speak. Oh. Hey. You see what should be my judging my hive. Where's he AFK? Vibes. Unreal. I remember that feeling, but while I was in the air, it was always so annoying. Anyways, I do have some of these. The game's okay, but I genuinely never get anything. HDB, I hate HDBs. Like the woolly rascals, Shopee. I need to lie for the damage though. Wait. The moment of truth. What is a shiny? Angry bee? Transform the shock bee. Basic. Okay, well, I'm not gonna wait. We're gonna go to legendary. On the legendary, please. Give me a lion bee, it's not hard. Why does it take so many jellies? Lion. Lion. Finally. That took so long. Anyways, time to search up YouTube. What is the best time? Oh, demon mask. Yes. I don't know if I still want to though. I mean, I'm not sure. I've been trying to go on, but I'm kind of mixed. Anyways, however, where's the demon mask? Oh yes. It's coming back. It's coming back. Guys, it's coming back. The mask is there. Oh, this was basically the conclusion. I just wanted to see how Beast Mode was. I remember some of it. If you actually want me to do video me like macroing or something, like just let me know. But you guys probably won't let me know because I have like 15 subscribers. Alright, thank you so much guys for like 15 subscribers. I actually appreciate it. But if you want me to like literally, if you want me to do a video on anything, I'm just doing what comes to mind because like I don't know. You guys don't really speak. No offense. Just let me know like what I should do. Oh yes, I remember now. 500 stingers. I think I was getting there for the thing, but I think I might pause. Yeah, 150. Enzymes, I'm getting there. Igloo. 5 million honey isn't hard to get. It might look hard to get, but it's honestly not. Anyways. So before I end this video, we're gonna go all the way back to where it all started. Black Bear, just kidding, I finished all his quests. He's boring. Yes, we had this. Oh, this shop was so annoying. Anyways, a posh room. Fine, we'll end it off with that then, right? Oh, it's not done. Too bad, you guys will have to wait for the next video. Guess you guys have to wait. Anyways, like, now what I was going to say is, oh yes, honey storms. They're always fun. They're completely useless. Because once you get 4 legendary bees, you're starting to get to like the point where you're like getting a little good at the game. So like they don't do anything. They give you like what 3,000 honey. It's good for quests where you have to collect honey from stuff. Beastmas is coming, and I don't know if I don't think I'm gonna participate this year. Beastmas, it's kind of boring. I'm not even gonna hide it. It's boring. It's actually boring. So yeah, no Beastmas. No Beastmas, I don't think. No Beastmas for you guys. For you guys, absolutely no Beastmas. Anyways, I'll end it off like that. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to like. It's free. It's not free. Like and subscribe. Wait, no, it is. Like and subscribe, and if you want me to do like a different video, you can just let me know. Cause trust me, I'm getting like hella bored out here. I'm running out of content. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. I haven't been posting often, but I have a few ideas in mind. So you probably see like 5 videos after this one. Okay. See you a happy Saturday, I think. I don't know when I'm editing this, man. Okay, now time for a sick outro. Goodbye, guys. Thank you for watching this edition of Bee Swarm Simulator and me being just weird. Also, you're probably asking where my Winnie Bee is. I don't have one because Winnie Bee isn't good for red hives. It's not like the best. But I kind of regret that now. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. I'll see you later. Bye.